Okay, guys, here is another amazing tech tool that we like to use in our classroom. It is called Classkick. And in Classkick, one of the things that I like about it is that I can send out several different things to my students. One of the things that I send out every month, sometimes twice a month, depending on how busy we are that month, are station activities because stations can be really tricky for kindergartners to do independently. So we use this as tool as a way for us to be able to get help. Um, our station activities have voice directions, video directions that describe what they're supposed to do in the station, and then a copy of what they're supposed to use um, in that station. So the student is more in charge of what they're supposed to be doing. Then one of the best features of this particular app is that the students can then fill in the answers, and then as a teacher, I can go in and I can say, ooh, that student did a really nice job on that. Well, let me see. For I'd like to give that student a star or a sticker or whatever. And in each one of them, I can give stickers out. So, like this one for Jaren that she finished, I can give her an owl sticker, and it happens immediately. The student can see immediately that I think they're doing a great job. And I've taught my students that the owl means great work, that the bee means keep trying, and that the bird means we need to go back and listen to the directions. So if they see those things pop up, they know, ooh, man, I missed that. I need to go back and fix that. Or, ooh, I did a great job here. I can give that instant feedback. One of the other things that I really like about this app is that I can create, especially for kindergartners, I can create kind of like a self-paced lesson for them, similar to Nearpod, but like they can do it at their own pace. I can put in directions, I can read things to them, I can go back and I can add video links about that particular item. So like one of the things this we were talking about space, and so I went through and I kind of put in some slides about space, but then we also did an investigation on space, and so the students had to then gather information and facts about that, and I put in links to different places where they could watch videos or hear more information about that particular planet. So it provided the students with lots of opportunities to snag more learning, but more independently. So this is just another amazing tool that we like to use in our classroom as a resource and as a way for them to become independent learners.